Guys, welcome back to another episode.
Special Father's Day edition.
Yes,
happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. And if I could ask for anything for Father's Day, I don't think it could get much better than this besides my daughter being with me. But this is going to have to do, and I'm sorry, Zoe, but I might take this over you today. Talk about a childhood favorite of mine. I have spent thousands, if not dollars and quarters, racing this car when I was younger in an arcade game.
Oh, yeah.
Super Sega GT. And if you're my age or around my age, you know what I'm talking about. And I guarantee you've seen this car before. We're talking. I gotta get the smile on my face before I can really even talk about it. We actually have the Golf livery Mclaren GTR childhood dream right up there. Probably, maybe even better than the F40 in my book. A lot of people probably don't know that this is powered by a BMW naturally aspirated V12 engine by 6.1 liter, push about 600 horsepower. When the car is this light, you're going to be moving. Check it out. Powered by BMW.
And it does have the seat in the middle.
Yeah, if you've never seen it before, then you sit directly in the middle. Full race car. Somewhere around the back, we got freaking center lock wheels. This screams race car too. I mean,
you know, this is my second time seeing it, and it's only your first.
That's one of my dream cars. Here, get a look at the back.
So,
it says GTR, baby.
You got the GTR. Then you got the F1 McLaren with the 4-pipe center exhaust on it.
Hey, Sean. This isn't the only special McLaren here. Look right behind me. We got a 1 of 15 McLaren Sabre. This is number 13.
Full carbon fiber. Yeah, this one is sick. Full carbon fiber with all the vent scoops. All of them are functional with the big old tail on it.
And you can see there's tons of little secrets hidden all over this car. Like, come here and look at the oil cap.
You can see it.
Literally has the car scribe.
That is,
and then look at it, it says Sabre on the dash. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, it does have it on the dash.
But this car's full MSO spec.
Yeah, it's really nice, full carbon fiber. Number 13 out of 15.
And the thing that really sets it apart from all the other ones is the back end.
Oh yeah, that is amazing. It's got the wing like the GTR.
Kind of like the GTR, just a little lower, a little more chassis mounted.
But get that.
You know what I really think is cool?
What is it?
I like how it goes from gloss carbon to matte carbon.
Oh yeah.
Like you got a gloss carbon here, and then the whole body is matte carbon.
Oh yeah.
And then you can't.
Then you get the gloss black with the.
Yeah, it's like a shark fin comes back with all the slots.
Oh yeah, this is really nice.
It's crazy because there's only 15 of these in the world.
That is pretty crazy.
I know.
And then let's compare it to the McLaren Senna. It's mixed Senna. It is really nice spec still. Full functional hood scoop.
Yeah.
Of course, it's the Hamilton collection. They already brought it out.
It's all sparkly like Steve.
Oh yes. That is nice. Huge wing.
Okay, but just let's take a look at the back ends of a Senna versus Sabre.
Yeah, just look at the difference on them.
Drop in the comments. Which one would you take? Not take away how rare it is, but the looks.
Yes.
Would you take a Sabre or a Senna? I like how crazy the Senna's back wing is and its functional arrow.
Yeah.
But the back of the the Sabre is like no other.
Yep. So you got all three McLarens.
Or you just take the 30-year-old F1 and I'm happy. Let's go.
Yeah, track car. see you in Ohio next week. Later.
Triple F, we're coming for you.